Dune Part 2 makes a triumph entry while the inclusion of Emilia Perez and Wicked adds a musical twist to the race. But The Brutalist and Anora are drawing attention to their gripping narratives. A powerhouse lineup for the best director. Sean Baker's work on Anora showcases raw emotions, while Corley brings a haunting vision to the substance. And James Mangold's A Complete Unknown cements his storytelling genius. It's a battle of legends and rising stars in Best Actor. Adrian Brody's intense performance in The Brutalist is unforgettable, while Timothy Chalamet's captivate in A Complete Unknown. Cynthia Erivo shines in Wicked and Carla Sofia makes history in Emilia Perez, but Mikey Madison's raw portrayal in Anora is turning heads. Could she take that crown? From Kieran Culkin's emotional depth in A Real Pain to Jeremy Strong's layered performance in The Apprentice, the supporting actor category is stacked, but Edward Norton in A Complete Unknown might just edge out the competition. Big names and stunning performances here. Joe Saldana dazzles in Emilia Perez and Felicity Jones leaving an impression in The Brutalist. But Isabella Rossellini in Conclave is the wild card. An eclectic mix of original screenplay, Anora and The Brutalist stand out, but A Real Pain and September 5 add emotional weight to the category. The tough race to all. Literary adaptations shine this year. Conclave and Nickel Boys are the frontrunners, but Sing Sing's heartfelt story brings a fresh edge. Will Emilia Perez surprise us here? Animated brilliance takes center stage. Inside Out is a nostalgic favorite, while Wallace and Gourmet Vengeance Most Fall promises laugh. But The Wild Robot might just steal the show with its innovative storytelling. A stunning showcase of visuals. Dune Part 2 wows with its epic landscapes, while Nosferatu brings gothic vibes, and the magical world of Wicked are simply mesmerizing. Period pieces and fantasy rule here. Gladiator 2 delivers historical grandeur, while Nosferatu leans into haunting details, but the colorful costumes of Wicked might sweep this one. Striking imagery dominates. The Brutalist and Dune Part 2 pushes boundaries, but Nosferatu delivers chills with its atmospheric visual, a truly stacked category. Tension and pacing shine in this editing category. Anora and The Brutalist are favorites, but Wicked's musical energy might take the win. Transformation is the key. Nosferatu stuns in its gothic looks, while A Different Man impresses with realism, but the Wicked's magical touch could steal the award. From the booming landscapes of Dune Part 2 to the enchanting melodies of Wicked, sound design takes storytelling to next level. The Wild Robot brings a unique auditory experience to the mix. Spectacle reigns supreme. Dune Part 2 is a frontrunner, but Kingdom of Planet of Apes and The Wicked bring heavy competition. Alien Romulus is the dark horse here. Music elevates storytelling here. The Brutalist stirs the soul, while Wicked enchants with its melodies, and The Wild Robot brings an unexpected charm to the mix. Heartfelt tunes and epic anthems. Elton John returned with Never Too Late, but Mi Camino from Emilia Perez is stealing hearts. Don't Overlook Like a Bird from Sing Sing, a dark horse contender. Global cinema shines, and Still Here from Brazil and The Girl with a Needle from Denmark bring cultural depth, while Emilia Perez from France bridges genres, a truly diverse category. Short films, big emotions. Beautiful Man and Magic Candies bring heartfelt charm, while Wonder to Wonder enchants with stunning visuals. Will Yuck surprise us with his quirky creativity? Powerful stories in short form. Death by Numbers is hard hitting while the only girl in the orchestra fugs at the heartstrings. But Instruments of a Beating Heart brings a deeply personal narrative that could win it all. Compelling tales in just minutes. Alien captivates with its originality while I'm Not a Robot challenge perceptions. Could The Man Who Could Not Remain Silent leave the biggest impact? And that's a wrap on 2025 Oscar nominations. Who are you rooting for this year? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more award season coverage. We'll see you at the Oscars.